is an interesting subject. It's one of the oldest subjects of computer science engineering. Lately, interesting trend is appearing, especially in last 3-4 years globally, where robots or bots in different forms are getting into a commodity zone. Robots, which are cheap, quick to build, they are designed and they are softwared to execute simple tasks. We have just conceptualized a particular robot and it's working. And idea comes from common sense. Idea also comes from something which I have spoken a lot about, technology with empathy, or architectures which are driven by empathy.
We work as a team with a group of smart guys to make the first robot in India in airline, and we're trying to make it as much as possible to be highly automated, highly interactive, like a humanoid, and it will solve the problems that we are facing at airport nowadays. And as we know, this is our first prototype of RADA, so this works very well, scans the boarding pass, it speaks with people, it moves the way human moves around airports. It's truly mobile. We can imagine this at a check-in counters, lounge, we can think about at the boarding gates. Also we can imagine at different places at the airport.
Personally, I do not think that a robot will take away from a human interface ever. You cannot take away from an interaction. RADA is to make me or a system or a process more efficient as such. RADA is not here to replace me. I would look at it from that perspective. She's here to help us become better, enhance the services that we provide to people, and not to take away our jobs.
My definition of employment for a young democracy like India is where everyone has a right to work, everyone has got right to choose a set of work, everyone has got a right to learn and then apply that particular learning to their choice of work. I may sound a little bit socialist, or I may sound a little bit idealist, but then it again goes back to my hypothesis about definition of employment. So I am pretty much convinced that if cost of manufacturing of simple robots can help to execute set of activities which are very, very mundane in nature, countries like India should adopt that. They should encourage it and then create huge set of jobs in industries which will require brains, young brain, to design things, design product, design new set of services, maybe design new set of robots, maybe design software who will execute those kind of services and all that stuff.